cool and innovative kitchen ideas. Innovation is not always a new fancy gadget or appliance for your kitchen. Have you ever considered that your layout may be the most important part of your workspace? As an interior designer, I divide kitchens into two categories, and believe me, being in either of these categories carries no shame. There are the cooking enthusiasts or those interested, and then there are the entertainers. Entertainers are looking for aesthetic only, the microwave is their best friend. The cooking enthusiasts want function. Here is how you can have both. First of all, figure your work triangle. The work triangle consists of your sink, refrigerator and range top. These three items are the major functions and therefore should not be more than 90 apart from each other. If you were to draw a line from the middle of the sink to the middle of your refrigerator and then connect to the range, you should have a triangle. The purpose is to keep the cook within a range that is comfortable for food prep and cooking obviously. I, personally, like to put the dishwasher to the left of the sink when possible. I also like to elevate the dishwasher and put it in a built-in floor-to-upper cabinet. This not only keeps me from bending to load, but the unloading process is much easier. The sink is centrally located most of the time. When it is not, I do my best to locate the range and refrigerator within the constraints mentioned above.